How to fix Moonlighter is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go back to the library, right click on the game and open the properties. And in the general tab, launch options, you will need to add -dx11. Then go to installed files and verify the game files. Once everything is validated, you can close Steam. Then you want to open up your GPU app. So if you're running an NVIDIA card, you will need this NVIDIA app installed. Then go to drivers, check for updates, and make sure to download and install the latest available update. Now, if you're running AMD, you will need the AMD software instead. And next, you want to open up your browser, navigate to this link, which you can find below in the video description. And from here, you will need to download and install the 86 and the 64 installer for redistributables. And once you finish this, it will ask you to restart your computer, so make sure to do that. Now, right after the restart, you will need to right-click on Steam and run it as admin. And then just launch the game from your Steam library, and this should solve the crash problem. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.